This orange smoothie is really rich in vitamin A. Nalilinaw talaga ang ating mga mata, of course, nang hindi na tayo maluluko at kitang-kita na natin yung dapat nating makita, nang sa ganun may iwasan na natin ang dapat may iwasan kasi very clear eyesight na tayo. Hello again everyone, welcome to our channel, and this time we'll be making our favorite smoothie, of course. This is our go-to food nowadays, and this time I'll be making a one-of-a-kind smoothie, and that will be our favorite orange smoothie. By the way, this orange smoothie, guys, is a request of shout out to Marilyn Flores, kasi yung in-upload ko nung ating green smoothie that was requested, of course, by Humble Barista. Na comment niya doon and then na-suggest for us to make an orange smoothie, and then dahil nga paborito ko rin ang kulay na orange, so request and suggestion granted for Marilyn Flores, at ito na yun. And for our orange smoothie, of course, I will be using 1 carrot. So napaka-orange po yung carrots natin, and then I'll be using, of course, our cantaloupe, and then our orange, so I'll be using this one also, and then of course our tomatoes. So di naman pwede nagagawa tayo ng smoothie without any liquid in it, so I decided to use this orange juice, but of course we'll not be showing to you guys the brand kasi hindi naman siya sponsor. Beke naman. Okay, so this is now the orange that we'll be using, and dahil nga may carrots, so I decided to put a little bit of orange juice. So unahin na natin yan, and of course into our blender. Nagugutom tuloy ako. Unahin na natin yung medyo may katigasan. Hindi naman matigas ang ulo, pero ang texture talaga is matigas, and that's our carrots. So unahin na natin yan para habang mas marami pang liquid na nandyan, hindi mahihirapan yung ating blender. So durugin na natin yan. Hindi po yung ating puso ang dudurugin, but it's the carrot. Para naman hindi mahirapan yung ating blender, guys. So, yan, durog na po ang ating carrots. Then, we will be adding into our blender yung ating cantaloupe, siyempre, para matapos na itong ating ginagawang smoothie, which I know is very delicious. And this orange smoothie is really rich in vitamin A. Nalilinaw talaga ang ating mga mata, of course, nang hindi na tayo maluluko at kitang-kita na natin yung dapat nating makita, nang sa ganun may iwasan na natin ang dapat may iwasan kasi very clear eyesight na tayo. So anyway, putting into our blender now is our tomato. Pagsasabay na natin yan, guys, para tapos na kagad. And of course our oranges na tinanggalan ko na to ng buto, and then I'll be including the pulp, of course, kasi sayang din yan, vitamins din yan. So tapos na tayo dyan, and blend natin together. At ako'y gutom na talaga, no joke, kasi natulog lang ako talaga this afternoon, and then here we go. Ayan, para oh my god, it's wild. Diba napakasarap? Kulay pa lang, nakakatakam na. Paano na lang yung lasa? Once more, and we're done. We are done again. And ganun lang kabilis, guys. So i-fine pa natin na mabuti yung pagkakagiling, pagkakadurog ng lalong sasarap yung ating ginagawang orange smoothie. So that's enough, kasi sigurado na to na napakasarap. Atin ang susubukan. So titikman na natin. Perfect yung ating ginawang orange smoothie these days. So here we go. At atin ang judge. Ready na ba kayo dyan? O kayo na muna mauna? So this is now our orange smoothie. Again, shout out as it's requested by Marilyn Flores, and it's really good for our eyes and a lot of benefits when you have this orange smoothie. Perfect. It's really yummy and very nutritious, so why not make it for your children? And of course, thank you really guys for watching, and if you are not still subscribed to this channel, just click subscribe there and don't miss that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we have new uploads. So thank you again guys, and have a nice day.